Julie will be joining me. And to kick off the season, we are going to be doing the smoothie challenge. So here's an overview of our ingredients. Julie, you go first. Why do I have to go first? Because it's my show. Well, I'm on the show now too. Fine, I'll go first. Yes! Oh yeah, perfect. Great start. What's your problem? Milk. Okay then. No! No! Ow. How's your smoothie going, Julie? Great. Mine's pretty much a bowl of cereal. It's gonna be really gross because it's gonna be soggy cereal. How dare you? Soggy cereal. Just move your hand. Microwave pizza. This is hard as rock. I can't even, it's like just... When was this cooked? It's leftovers. When the heck did we have microwave pizza? I take that as weeks ago. Ew. Gotta put it in the smoothie. Chocolate chip cookies. Soggy chocolate chip cookies. Soggy cereal. Soggy cookies. Soggy cereal. I think mine's gonna be delicious. You don't even have a base yet. Do you think I care? No. 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 Go, Julie. Choose your next ingredient. Go on. Choose your next ingredient. Okay. Mountain Dew. Ha! Okay. Are you kidding me? Are you serious? Seriously? Tuna. Are you kidding me? Nope. Delicious. Okay. Let's just pour some orange juice in. You're happy about that? You're happy? I like oranges. And orange juice. Go already, Saige. We're down to the last one. Left to left two. But whoever chooses this one, the other person gets to have the other. And it's my turn, Saige. Yes, it is. Let's do this. I get the chocolate chip muffin! Oh, I'm gonna kill you! Just take the orange. Oranges aren't that bad. And now we blend them. Ugh. Are you ready to drink this, Saige? The question is, Julie, are you ready? More ready than ever. On 3. 1, 2, 3! I can't drink anymore. I'm done. What? I drank it all. I think today's episode should be finished. So maybe I could go throw up. I have a garbage can for that. Oh! Oh my God, Julie. Yeah, so what, Saige? Oh my God, Julie! I think we should end this episode here. Bye.